So hello friends, in this video we will see how we can call a parent component method from the child component in Angular applications. We can also use an Ionic framework also by if we can create a component and then we can utilize this functionality also. So let's create a component first with a command ng generate component. Let's name it today. So the today component is created and app module.ts file is also added, updated inside the code. So let's do some coding inside app component, today component.ts file, as it is the child component, and we have to call the method of the parent component, and parent component will be app component.ts file. That is this is our app will be our parent component, and today will be our child component. So we have call a method of parent component, that is app component or ts file, and from the today component, and so we have to call a method from here. So to call a method from this today component, we have to import output output decorator and event emitter. So these are required, and let's create a variable like uh, event test event is equal to new event emitter, and let's add a decorator here, output. So we have test event with output decorator of type event emitter. So now let's create a method here, child method, and inside child method let's emit this test event dot emit. So whenever child method is called, this test event will be emit. So let's call this child method from html part of child component. So here is html, and you can see, let's add button here, name it child button, and on click of this, let's call the child component method child method, that is here. So on the button click, this method will be called, sorry. And so now from this, when we click that button, this method is called, and from this method we have to call the parent method. So let's define a method inside parent component, that is app component.ts file. This is some previous code for previous videos. So let's create a method here inside a class. So let's name as a parent method and alert this as parent method. So if we click on child button, and this method should be execute. And now let's add a component. First comment is some old. So everything is commented. Now add child component tag here, this app today. So let's include inside here app today. So this child component is added inside parent component. So for calling the parent method, we have to add the event emitter which we have created here, test event. So test event, and let's call the method this. So as you can see, this test event is the event emitter emits from the child component, and when it emits, it will call the parent method. So child event emitter have the reference here, this tag, and this tag have the reference of a parent method. So whenever that test event emits from child, this method will be executed. So let's test how it can work. So we are on browser, and you can see this there is child button, and on click parent method is called. So this button inside the child component, and after when click on this, the parent method is executed. So hope you like this, and you I think you understand all the things. uh, if you like this, really like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video. Will back soon with some other video. Thank you.